As the opioid crisis across the nation continues to cause concern, the FDA is warning parents about not giving their children cough and pain medicines containing certain opioids.
The FDA will decide next month whether cough medicines containing opioids like codeine and tramadol should be prescribed to children. Channel 4's Elizabeth Campbell spoke with the chairman of the UF Health Department of Pediatrics about his recommendations for your kids.
These are powerful respiratory depressants, and if children overdose on these medications, they could present with respiratory arrest and have adverse consequences, including death.
Dr. Mark Hudak is glad the FDA is continuing to warn parents to beware of giving their children cough and pain medicines with codeine and tramadol.
Most of the actual deaths and adverse events result from self-administration of these medications by children less than 4 years of age. A relatively few number of them proportionately are caused by a overdosage given by a caretaker.
So what should a parent do if their child is sick?
Should look at the label and make sure the product is not one that contains codeine, and follow the dosage instructions very carefully to make sure that the child is not overdosed, and then to make sure that the medication is not available, locked up.
To avoid those prescription medications with opioids in them, you can try an over-the-counter version, but some of these still have restrictions, like this children's Robitussin, ages 6 and over. So it's still best to consult first with your doctor or pharmacist.
Keep in mind, Florida recently passed a law that requires you to be 18 or older to buy many of those over-the-counter medications. Dr. Hudak also has a warning about codeine for nursing mothers.
Nursing mothers should not be taking codeine as a pain medication, even though it's approved, because this can be passed through the breast milk.
Elizabeth Campbell, Channel 4, the local station.
On Wednesday, September 6th, join us at 8 p.m. for Opioid Nation, an American epidemic. News 4 Jax examines how the opioid crisis began, the local people fighting addiction, and what's being done in our communities to stop it. This one-hour program will be presented without commercials, made possible by Recovery Keys.